So this is the team from Notre Dame, Team Initech, and why don't, if you wouldn't mind, Pat, if you'll give me a quick description of your solution for the Healthy Imagination case.
Sure. Our solution was about really finding what the problem was, which we found out was a lot of access to food, access to the ability to purchase produce, those things. And we came up with a financing structure to basically fund entrepreneurs and corporate partner businesses in low-income neighborhoods that would eventually make a difference in obesity by making healthier lives for those people, but also in-turn profits for
And I noticed you guys chose 4 target cities, I believe: Atlanta, Memphis, Chicago, and Detroit. And how did you pick those 4 cities?
When we looked at the data of what led to obesity, it was, ethnically fueled, low-income factors, and then also geographically in the U.S. and certainly Midwest and Southern states. So we picked big cities in those areas. And just by pulling city data, found out that they were kind of by the metrics we were looking for. And actually, when we went back and looked at America's most obese cities, they were all in the top 10, and Memphis is actually America's most obese and most sedentary city. So it was kind of added proof to what we were looking at. It's like, this is where we think the problem is. We find these cities, you go back and look, it's like right there.
That's really cool. Well, so in terms of the day, what did you learn something new today? Like, what's the most interesting, kind of surprising thing you learned today?
I would say for me it was just the different approaches that the teams took. It's such a huge problem to take. We took one approach, the other 2 teams took different approaches, but the 3 were actually kind of connected to a degree, I thought. So that was just interesting to see how everyone attacks the same problem from a very different angle.
Really fun. Let's see. Well, are you thinking more about ECLP, about the program? Feel like you have?
Yeah, it's been fun to have some conversations last night and then today with some of the folks who did the ECLP program are currently in the program or graduated. It's actually been helpful to put some color to what they're actually doing and what they're working on through their rotations.
Absolutely.
It's been insightful for us.
What any things you thought about GE? Maybe thought about how this was going to go that were different than you thought, or that confirmed what you thought about GE?
We think that the people are a lot more friendly and down to earth. We expected it to be more serious and reserved.
Yeah. Now, we know how to have fun here at GE. I mean, they wouldn't have hired me otherwise. It would have been game over on that. Well, Notre Dame, Initech, you guys did a fantastic job. I want to be a city manager, so when you guys roll this out in Capital, I think I have the requirements. I'd like to talk to you. I think I have the qualifications. So. All right, congrats to you guys.